ሄሎ ኦል እንዴት ናችሁ? ዛሬ በማት ኤስኤልሲ ወይም ደግሞ የማትሪክ 12ኛ ክፍል ማትሪክ የሐምሌ 2025 ተገናኝተናል። ሌትስ ጎ ትሩ ኢት there will be part 1, part 2, part 3. So make sure to follow, subscribe, and like, comment, and share it with another people so that ሪቻችን ጥሩ ከሆነ we will keep on doing the same kinds of videos ማለት ነው. So the first question is, which of the following function is one-to-one? A, f is equal to x, y, in bracket, y is the mother of x. B, f, real number, which is real number, ከዛ f of x is equal to x square minus 1. ከዛ f ከዜሮ እስከ ኢንፊኒቲ ነው የሚይዘው which is real number. ከዛ f of x is equal to absolute value of x minus 1. ከዛ የዲ ደግሞ f is equal to 1, 5, 2, 3, 5, 4, and 6, 5. So which one is one to one ነው እያለን ያለ ነው። so እያንዳንዱን ስናየው which one is one to one የሚለውን መለየት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። so እዚህ ጋር ራሱ አሁን ዲ ላይ 5 ሁለቴ ነው ያለው so one to one እንዳልሆነ it's easy to say. So for question number 1, መጀመሪያ f is equal to xy, y is the mother of y ይለናል። ከዛ a mother can have more than one child. So a mother can have more than one child. So we can say that different value of x can have the same y value because y is the mother of x ከተባልን we cannot be sure አንድ ልጅ ብቻ እንዳላት in case of our function ማለት ነው. So it is not one to one. When we say b, f of x is equal to x square minus 1 ሲል when we put x different values like negative እና positive the same value ሆኖ negative እና positive ስናደርግ ስኩዌሩ similar number ነው የሚመጣልን. so square of any negative and positive number is the same. so minus 1 ስናደርገው it's going to be the same. minus 3 square minus 1 እና 3 square minus 1 is the same. so b is not one to one, one to many ነው. ከዛ when we see c ፋንክሽኑ ከዜሮ እስከ ኢንፊኒቲ ነው። ይሄ ሬንጅ ባይኖር ኖሮ ይሄ ከዚህ ብቻ ነው ባይለን ኖሮ if it included negative numbers ይሄ ፋንክሽን one to many ይሆን ነበረ። ግን ፖዚቲቭ ነምበር ብቻ ነው የምንከተው because our function starts from 0 to infinite. Even it's not inclusive of 0. So whatever number we are adding here, the function will have a different number which is not it is one to one ማለት ነው። ከዛ ዲ እንዳልኳችሁ this 5 and 5 y value multiple ቦታ ላይ occur ያደርጋል. So we cannot say it's one to one. So the answer is C, which is this ማለት ነው።